In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change PvP mode in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about PvP in Blox Fruits and show you which options are accessible for anyone. So, one thing I want to make very clear is that disabling PvP permanently is not possible. It doesn't matter if you see people saying that there is an official method to get it done with a simple toggle, there isn't. You might be able to find temporary workarounds that help you avoid PvP for a while, but disabling it completely is not an option. However, if you go over to the settings, you will have this: enable PvP. Enables PvP back after dying in combat. So if you choose this option here, it is essentially going to automatically enable PvP after you are defeated in combat. Besides this, there is nothing else to do. So the only relevant option is going to be available here. You might be able to get away with this on a private server, but like I said before, it isn't a guarantee. It seems like the developers are against adding a friendly mode, but if you have a private server, you can essentially avoid PvP and possibly enable PvP passive mode and friendly mode. So if you are in a private server, you choose the VIP option next to the chat bar, but in public servers, disabling PvP permanently is not available for anyone. The game is intended to be playing with PvP always enabled for everyone who is online, so keep that in mind. You might want to request this in different communities like Discord and their subreddit in order to have it added officially into the game through updates. But like I said before, nowadays there doesn't seem to be an option. Even if you go into the settings, that enable PvP option seems to be always grayed out. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.